Hey lads, TechScanning here. So alongside Samsung, Honor is also gearing up for the launch of its book-style foldable phones, the Magic V3 and the Magic Versus 3. Last year, their Magic V2 made headlines as the world's thinnest foldable phone, housing pretty flagship specs under the hood. And now, as the brand is preparing for its Magic V3 series, luckily ahead of the launch event, multiple renders and teasers revealed the design language as well as some of the specifications of the Magic V3. So unlike Samsung's Z Fold 6, which is likely to bring minor changes over its predecessor, design-wise, the Honor Magic V3 will have a new rear camera island. Now, instead of vertical shaped camera island, the Magic V3 will have a circular camera island on the top center, which is somewhat similar to their regular flagship Honor Magic 6. Speaking about the camera sensors, as also shown in the teaser, the biggest change here, the Magic V3 will have a new periscope sensor, which is rumored to offer 3.5x optical zoom. In comparison, the Magic V2 comes with a traditional telephoto sensor with 2.5x optical zoom. The other camera details are still under wraps, however, the main sensor is tipped to be the 50 megapixel. Now, as per some rumors, Honor is likely to put a special focus on photography, which is I think great considering the Magic V2 photography was not of that flagship quality. Anyway, the teaser showed the orange color vegan leather Magic V3 with gold accent, and I think it looks decent. But of course, there will be other color options too. Moving forward, the previous Magic V2 was the slimmest foldable phone with just a thickness of 4.7mm. However, now the brand wants to push the boundaries further, and the forthcoming Magic V3 series is teased to be even slimmer and lighter. On the performance side, the Magic V3 is likely to be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. Now, if you are curious about the launch date, Honor has already confirmed the Magic V3 series will launch on the 12th of July alongside Magic Pad 2 and Magic Book. So, what do you think about the Magic V3 series? Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.